Hey everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm your host, Zack Prohaska, and in this video I have choreographed 3 routines that you can use for Instagram stories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why am I gonna need a routine for an Instagram story? And I'm gonna tell you why. Once you start getting better at Flair, I can guarantee you that your guests are going to ask you if they can take an Instagram or a Snapchat story. So what I've done is I've made 3 routines that are less than 15 seconds and that will look great, they're easy to learn, and they're safe, and they'll make you look like a rock star. Not only will you look great, but you can use this to build your social media presence. Add a little flair if you want to build your name and if you want to represent the company that you work for. Now, before I show you these moves, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, the Challenge Apparel. I'm wearing their shirt right now. You're probably wondering why the words are written backwards. It's because it keeps you motivated while you're working out in front of the mirror. It's a great idea. I love the brand and I wear it all the time. So if you're a health nut, check out thechallengeapparel.com and check out their apparel. It's awesome stuff. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so our first routine looks like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna break it down for you. We're gonna grab our tin in our right hand and in a reverse grip. We're gonna pull the tin and place it around our back, throwing it to our right hand. Now we're gonna grab the bottle with our left hand. We're gonna do a small, easy swipe through, throwing the tin off to the left, transferring the tin, another swipe through, placing the bottle inside the tin. We're gonna grab the base of the bottle, we're gonna spin and rotate at the hips. Now we're facing the right. We're gonna pull the bottle out, showing our pour, cutting, and we're gonna do a simple 1 rotation with the liquid inside and add that to our glass. I'll show you again. Our right hand is grabbing our tin. We're gonna go around our back and throw it to our right hand. We're gonna grab our bottle. We're gonna do a swipe through, throwing the tin off, transferring the bottle, okay? We're gonna do another swipe through. We're gonna place the bottle inside, grabbing the base. We're gonna rotate and spin, grab. We're gonna show the pour, we're gonna cut, and we're gonna do a 1 rotation and then add that to our glass. And I'll show you once more, grabbing the tin around the back, throwing to our right hand, swiping through, throwing across to our left hand, swiping through, placing the bottle inside, rotating and spinning the bottle, showing our pour, 1 rotation with the tin, and adding that to our glass. Okay, so our second routine has a little bit more flash and it looks like this. Okay, so how we're starting this off is we're gonna grab our tin in a reverse grip, but we wanna hold high up on the tin. We're gonna grab our bottle in our left hand. We're gonna pull the tin up like this. Now, we wanna learn this motion here before we attempt the swipe through. So I'm gonna teach you that. Okay, so we're gonna grab the tin up high. We're gonna have it with our thumb and our middle finger, creating the little hinge motion, okay? You should be able to swing it back and forth just like this. We're starting off with the tin, the mouth of the tin facing outward. We're gonna do a half rotation inward. We're gonna rotate our wrists so our knuckles are facing up. We're gonna do another rotation outward. Then we're pulling it back in. Now here's where we're gonna do a reverse thumb roll. We're gonna snap our wrist towards us. With our 4 fingers, we're gonna push the tin over our thumb and catch it. So I'm gonna show you again. We're gonna go here, hinge, 1 more, back, thumb roll. Holding the top, hinge, 1 more, back, and thumb roll. And then once you're comfortable with that, we're gonna go 1, swiping through with the 2, back, thumb roll. Okay, I'll show you again. 1, swiping through with the 2, back, thumb roll. Once you're comfortable with that, we're gonna take this tin, we're gonna throw it to our left side, and it's gonna do a half rotation. While that tin is in the air, I want you to grab the neck of the bottle in a reverse grip just like this. Notice how my knuckles are like this and my thumb's facing down? So while the tin's in the air, we're gonna grab the bottle like this, we're gonna go around our head and pour. I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna go 1, 2, swipe through, back, thumb roll. I'm gonna throw this tin off to the left, and I'm gonna grab the neck of the bottle in a reverse grip, 1 reverse catch. I'm gonna go around my head, I'm gonna go into a pour, I'm gonna cut to the right, swing to the left, and follow with a rotation swipe through. I'm gonna throw the bottle up and adjust my grip, so now I'm in a standard grip, and go regular pour, and I'm gonna pour another 1/2 ounce. So you can do a 1/2 ounce each or 1 ounce each depending on the cocktail that you're pouring. So let me show you again from the top. We're gonna grab the tin up high, we're gonna hinge once, hinge twice, swipe through, hinge back, snap a reverse thumb roll, throwing it over to our other hand, reverse grip the bottle around the head and pour, cut, swing, 1 rotation, adjust the grip, and pour once more. All right, I'll show you again with a little speed. We're gonna grab high on the tin. We're gonna go 1, 2, swipe, back, reverse, throw, grab, pour, cut, swing, one rotation, adjust the grip, finish off the pour, cut, throwing the tin to your other hand, and then adding that to our glass. Okay, and our third pour looks like this. So how I'm starting this off is I'm gonna grab this tin with my left hand in a reverse grip. I'm grabbing the bottle at the same time. I'm pulling them up, I'm doing a swipe through, and all I'm gonna do is place this bottle on top of the tin and give it a little bit of a spin, just like so, okay? So I want you to practice going up, swipe through, spin, catch, okay? I'll show you again. Up and swipe through, spin and catch. Once you're comfortable with that, we're gonna follow with another swipe through. We're gonna throw it to our left side, grabbing the body of the bottle, just like here, in a reverse grip. We're gonna go around our head, and we're gonna throw this tin in the air, and the goal is to catch the tin in between your forearm and the neck of the bottle, like so, okay? When you get better at it, you can throw it up and catch it. If you're learning, don't be afraid to place it there. Do it quickly, your guests won't know the difference. But the better you get, obviously you can throw it and catch it, all right? Let's start from the top. So we're grabbing both the objects at the same time, but I'm gonna grab the tin in a reverse grip. I'm gonna do a swipe through, I'm gonna place the bottle on top of the tin, spin it, catch, swipe through once more, throw the left, reverse grip on the body of the bottle, go around your head, throwing the tin up, and catching it into a pour. Once you're finished pouring, you're gonna add that to your glass. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with a little bit of speed. We're gonna grab both objects, we're gonna swipe through, we're gonna spin, grab around the head, and in to a magnet pour. Woo. Practice these routines, guys, if you don't have anything of your own. If you're a beginner, these are great to get you started. You're gonna need them because people are going to take Instagram and Snapchat videos of you. I promise, it happens to me every time I do an event. They're easy to learn, they're simple, and they're not too long of a routine. They're great for Instagram and they're great for Snapchat, so practice them. And once you get better, make some routines of your own. Incorporate a style that you like, whether it's European, American, or you like craft flair. But make sure you practice these routines and you're ready for these moments when they want to get you on their Instagram. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything that you want to learn, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram account, CD Bartending. We have 1-minute tutorials, and I'm posting almost every day. So feel free to check it out. Let me know what you want to learn, and I'll make a video for you. Until then, have fun and keep whipping.